Welcome to JNC V-Learning. So today I'll be teaching English for grade 7, Unit 4, A Busy Day. So in this lesson you will see a role play and how to answer the questions asked from the role play, a notice and how to answer the questions asked from the notice, collective nouns and about possessive pronouns. So let's start the lesson. So here you will see a role play between Lahiru and his mother. Lahiru woke up at 5 a.m. to go to school. He made his bed, washed his face and went to the kitchen to collect his lunchbox. Listen very carefully to this role play.
Here's your lunch. Do you have cricket practices today?
Not today, mother. I have scouting this afternoon.
You had cricket practices on Fridays last year, but this year you have scouting. Have they changed the practice days?
Yes, they have. The court decided to change the practice days. The teacher in charge will send you a letter with the new days.
Is Ilham staying after school with you?
Yes, mother. And Krishna too.
Ah, that's good. You can share your lunch with your friends. What time will you finish?
At 5, mother. Can you ask the Darren's mother to bring my scout logbook? He took it home last week and he is not well. And I need the logbook today.
All right, I'll ask her. Here's your water bottle. Take your cap and the scout uniform.
Ah, there comes the bus. Bye, sister.
Bye. Where is your cap?
Oh, I forgot it. Can you get it for me? Please. It is on my table.
Here you are. Bye.
Bye.
So let's go to the questions in the role play. The first question is, when does Lahiru have scout practices? So in the role play, now I think you have the book with you. In page number 42, if you go through it, you will see mother is saying, you had cricket practices on Fridays last year, but this year you have scouting. So they are asking, when does Lahiru have scout practices? So there a hint is given. So he has scout practices on Fridays. The next one. Who has taken Lahiru's logbook? So in the conversation, Lahiru is saying, mother, can you ask Darren's mother to bring my scout logbook? So that means Darren is the one who has taken Lahiru's logbook. So who has taken Lahiru's logbook? Darren has taken Lahiru's logbook. The next question. Name the friends who do scouting with Lahiru. So the friends are Ilham, Krishna and Darren. Why has Darren not returned Lahiru's book? So in the role play, Lahiru is saying, he took it home last week and he is not well and I need the logbook today. So Darren is the one who has borrowed Lahiru's logbook, but because he is sick, he has been unable to hand it over. So why has Darren not returned Lahiru's book? Because Darren is not well. Why was Lahiru in a hurry to go? Because the bus has come. Because Lahiru is saying, there comes the bus. Bye, sister. So he was in a hurry because the bus has come. What did Lahiru forget to take with him and where was it? Sister is asking, where is your cap? Then Lahiru says, I forgot it. Can you get it for me please? It's on my table. So what did Lahiru forget? He forgot his cap and it was on his table. So this is how you need to answer the questions from the role play. Let's go to the next activity. Let's go to page number 43 in your pupils book. There you will see a notice given. They have said, here is a notice, read and complete the table below. So, we'll read the notice. Notice, the 8th Scout Troop of Dharmapala College proudly presents A Trip to Heaven, a drama based on a popular folk tale, on 3rd May 2016 at 2:30 p.m. in the main hall. So, these are the details they have given. Who is doing it, who is presenting it, the name of the drama, the date, the time and the venue. So, we will go to the questions. So, here there is a table which you need to fill. The first one is name of the drama. So, here they have given A Trip to Heaven. The name of the drama is A Trip to Heaven. They have asked for the date. So, here you can see 3rd May 2016. Time at 2:30 p.m. Presented by. So, they are asking who is organizing it. The 8th Scout Troop of Dharmapala College. And they are asking for the venue. That means the place where they are having the drama. So, in the main hall. So, this is how it's very easy if they give a notice and ask you to give the answers. So, you just have to read the notice twice and then you will be able to answer the questions very easily. So, we will go to the next activity. Turn to page number 45 in your pupils book. You will be learning about collective nouns. So, in the previous grades also you have been learning about collective nouns. So, here in grade 7 also you will be revising the lesson. What is a collective noun? The words in bold are called collective nouns. So, you can see there are some words in bold. We use collective nouns to bring a group of people or objects together. So, if you want to name a group of people or objects, then you have to use a collective noun. So, here a litter of puppies. So, for a group of puppies, we use the collective noun litter. So, we use a litter of puppies. A flock of pigeons, a herd of cows, a bunch of ripe bananas, a bunch of flowers. So, litter, flock, herd, bunch are collective nouns. So, here I have taken some more collective nouns so that you will learn more about it. Swarm of bees. So, here we have used the collective noun swarm. Bouquet of flowers. So, if you have got so many flowers in your hand, you can call it a bouquet of flowers. Pride of lions. If there is a group of lions, you can use the word or the collective noun pride. Herd of cattle. Collection of stamps. Flock of sheep. School of whales. Troop of monkeys. Flight of stairs. So, these are some examples. There are more collective nouns, but you need to go through these collective nouns and keep them in mind. Let's go to the activity on page number 46. It's a crossword puzzle. So, I think you will enjoy it. So, this crossword puzzle, you need to fill it with collective nouns. We will go to the first one. And before that, I want to say there are two types, across and down. Okay, across and down. So across is this side, this way, and down is this way. So across is this way and down is this way. Okay. So we'll go to the first one. Do you want another blank of ice cream? So we'll see what the answer is. The answer is, do you want another scoop of ice cream? Scoop. Third, across. Third, across. Here this one. My little sister is eating a blank of chocolate. So the answer is, my little sister is eating a bar of chocolate. Number 4, across, this one. In the night sky, I saw a blank of stars. In the night sky, I saw a galaxy of stars. Number 6, across. So here, this one. My mother bought a blank of toothpaste. The answer is, my mother bought a tube of toothpaste. Number 8, across, this one. Add a blank of garlic to the dal curry. Add a clove of garlic to the dal curry. Number 9, across, this one. A blank of wolves ran into the jungle. The answer is, a pack of wolves ran into the jungle. So you need to learn or study the collective nouns to complete this crossword puzzle. So you should know it by heart. Now we will go downwards, this way. So downwards, number 1, this one. A blank of bees attacked the tourist at Sigiriya. The answer is, a swarm of bees attacked the tourist at Sigiriya. Number 2, downwards, this one here. A blank of ships arrived at the Colombo harbour. The answer is, a fleet of ships arrived at the Colombo harbour. Number 5, downwards. So here, this one. There isn't a blank of dust in my sister's room. There isn't a speck of dust in my sister's room. Okay, so we have come to the final one. Number 7, downwards. Give me a blank of water, please, pleaded the patient. So let's see the answer. Give me a drop of water, please, pleaded the patient. So if you know the collective nouns, it's very easy to complete the crossword puzzle. Okay, so our next activity is possessive pronouns. Here in possessive pronouns, you speak about the ownership, to whom it belongs to. Now here, we'll take, the subject is I, the possessive adjective is my, and the pronoun is mine. This book is mine. So you speak about the ownership. ours, yours, his, hers, its and theirs. So from these possessive pronouns you speak about the ownership. So we'll go to some examples. Here is your cap. Here is your cap. The cap is yours. So here the possessive pronoun is yours. He took my book last week. He took my book last week. The book is mine. The book is mine. Talking about ownership. You forgot to take your cap. It's yours. So here in these sentences, the possessive adjective is given, then the possessive pronoun comes like this. Here your becomes yours, my becomes mine. Again here your becomes yours. The final one here, he went to see his paddy field. So the possessive adjective his becomes his here as well. Okay. Now in your pupils book, in page number 48, you will get an activity like this. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronoun. They have given an example. This pen belongs to me, it's mine. This pair of spectacles belongs to my father's, it's his. This small book belongs to Murali, it's his. That small piece of land belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Gamage, it's theirs, because we are talking about Mr. and Mrs. Gamage. So there are two people there. So we use the pronoun it's theirs. The biggest room in the house belongs to me and my brother, it's ours. That floral dress belongs to my mother, it's hers. The white prayer hat belongs to Nizam, it's his, because Nizam is a boy. So we use the possessive pronoun his. The new bed belongs to you, it's yours. These pencil boxes belong to my friends, they are theirs. The shop belongs to them, it's theirs. So this is how you need to answer the questions asked on page number 48 under possessive pronouns. So once again I remind you, possessive pronouns, they speak about the ownership. If you take your pupils book and go throughout this lesson, I think you will find it easy to answer all the questions, because we learnt about a role play, how to answer the questions from the role play, the notice, how to answer the questions asked from a notice, then we spoke about collective nouns, and at the end we spoke about possessive pronouns. So I think you enjoyed the lesson.